Hi, Darren here. I just thought I'd make this quick video because I've seen a lot of people asking, particularly on Facebook recently, about how they can do word searches interactively and through online technology. So here I am in Google Slides. So what I've done is I found myself a word search that I want to use on the internet, and I've downloaded that as a JPEG and I've brought it into my Google Slides template. But what you'll notice is I'm not able to click on this and move it. And the reason for that is because I've added it into the master slide. And the way we do that is we go to View, we come to Master, and this particular slide is the one I'm on, and you can see here I've added it into this master slide. I can move it around in there, and then I close it, and that basically adds it to the background of the slide, so students can't do anything with that. Then what I've done is I've gone to Insert Shape, and I've chosen the rounded edged one. And if we just take this one for example, I've chosen a transparent inner, a red outline, and I've moved it up to 2 points. And then I've resized the shape to the size roughly that I want. And then what I would do is I would create the correct number that I need. So I've got 7 there already. I would just copy and put another 7 over on the other side here. Move those over. And then when the students get their version, all they need to do is to decide where the words are, and they can move them around. So for example, if we were looking for the word goalie, it's actually here. So we could take one of these. We know it's a vertical word, so we just move it around, place it over the top of the word there, and then resize it accordingly. And that enables us to highlight that particular word, and then we can use the same throughout it to highlight all of the others as well. Okay, so that's a nice simple way of doing word searches using Google Slides.